Hey, everyone! We're diving into one of the most important foundations of programming and data management, SQL and RDBMS. If you've ever wondered how apps like Instagram, YouTube, or your favorite e-commerce site store and organize data, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. A database is simply a collection of data that is organized so it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Think of it like a big digital filing cabinet. Instead of papers, you have data, names, emails, orders, products, and so on. Now, what is an RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It's a type of database system where data is stored in tables. These tables are made up of rows and columns. Columns define the type of data, like name, age, or email. Rows represent the actual records, like John, 25, john@example.com. What makes RDBMS special is that these tables can be related to each other. That's why we call it relational. For example, in an e-commerce site, you might have a users table and an orders table. Each order is linked to a specific user through a relationship, usually by a primary key and foreign key. Okay, so how do we talk to a database? That's where SQL comes in. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's the standard language used to communicate with databases. With SQL, you can create databases and tables, insert data, update data, delete data, and of course, query or retrieve information. Almost every serious application out there uses some form of database. From banking systems to social media, SQL and RDBMS concepts form the backbone of storing and managing data. If you learn SQL, you're basically learning the universal language of data. And that's a huge skill in today's world of data science, software development, and analytics. Some popular RDBMS software includes MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle Database, Microsoft SQL Server, SQLite. Each has its own features, but all of them use SQL at their core. So to wrap up, a database is where data lives. An RDBMS organizes that data into related tables. And SQL is the language we use to work with that data. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more programming tutorials, and drop a comment below.